Let's warmly welcome Mr. Vishwajit Pandey, a seasoned professional having over 1.5 decades of rich experience in building materials, education, and telecom sector. He heads Xpereos Stones domestic market and is responsible for exploring business opportunities for his organization, keeping a close eye on modern architectural demands. He is representing a prestigious organization, which is the one stop solution provider of natural stones. Mr. Pandey will present a submission on natural stones enhancing modern airport designs.
How natural stones are going to add more value to the modern airport designs and all. So to discuss about this, I'm segmenting these things into a few points, so which will be helpful for all of us to understand in a better manner. So first of all, I would like to talk about the aesthetical appeal of the natural stones. So in this quest of the contemporary design, airports are turning out to nature's masterpiece, natural stones. The rich texture, diverse colors, and unique patterns of stones like marble, granite, and other add a touch to sophistication and elegance to airport interiors. These materials create a visual, stunning environment that not only reflects the spirit of the local but also sets a welcoming tone of the passengers, which I think all of the speakers pointed out on the same thing, that how it reflects and how it connects to the beauty of the city, and how does the passengers carry out the image of that particular city. So airport throws a much more value to those kind of images also when it comes to a city, or a modern airport. When I talk about functionality and practicality, so beyond their aesthetic allure, natural stones bring a myriad of functional benefits of modern airports. Their durability and resistance to wear make them ideal for high traffic areas, ensuring that the airport maintains its pristine appearance even with the constant use. Additionally, the cool and smooth surfaces of stone contributes to a comfortable indoor climate, providing a refreshing contrast to the hustle and bustle of the travel. So this requires a lot of homeworking and lots of workmanship to be shown at the times of using that product, or that it has to be certainly the architect has to be very much satisfied by the aesthetics and other parts of the stones which we are supposed to propose to that particular project. If we talk about sustainability in design, so as the world sustainable practices, natural stones emerge as eco-friendly champions in airport construction. These materials are sourced directly from the earth, requiring minimal processing and reducing the environmental impact. So moreover, their longevity and resistance to wear mean less frequent replacements, contributing to a more sustainable and cost-effective infrastructure. So there are so many other products which has to be recycled. If I talk about other products that may not be recycled, or that may not be reused, but when we talk about stones, precisely natural stones, so it can be certainly reused for the other products, or other projects where the natural things are demanded. So when we talk about this thing, when we talk about the conclusion of this particular introduction part, the use of natural stone is not just a design choice, but it's also a statement. It is a commitment to timeless elegance, functionality, and sustainability. As airports strive to create memorable experience for travelers, and the incorporation of the natural stone stands as a testament of the marriage of the tradition and modernity of architecture. So, now I would request Akansha to kindly share my slides so that you can, correlate the same thing with us, that particular thing. Komal already told that I'm representing, Xpereos Stones. So we are one of the biggest, and we are one of the best natural stone manufacturers and suppliers in India. So if we talk about one project, because there's a time limit, so we have done many projects which could define, which could talk about my products and my workmanship. But precisely when it comes to the beautification part, or when it comes to the one of the best projects we have done in India, so that is our Bihar Museum. So in this, you can see that this museum was built in 2015, but here Xpereos supplied all the natural things, and we played a crucial role in right from what do you call keeping taking your dreams to reality. We can say that. So the architectural demand was very much fulfilled in this project, and it was very much appreciated by all the key stakeholders of this project when I precisely talk about this project. So apart from this, there are many more projects which we have completed into India, and that has gone very well. So recently we have done a project called New Parliament House in Delhi. So we have used our natural stones over there, which is right away procured from our Dawalpur quarry. So that has been used there. We can very much see that stones over there. So when it comes to the other part, when we talk about natural stone, where resilience meets the prestige. So there are basically 5 points which has to be taken care while using or designing this kind of prestigious projects. So when precisely it comes to modern airport, like every speakers indicated the same thing, that when Komal was talking about that the natural products which has to be used, taking that energy consumption also in mind. So I think our stone is one of the best part which could best product which will be playing a good role into that part as well. So when it comes to durability and longevity, we already spoke about that. It's a product that which will go for last year. And when it comes to maintenance part, so there is not much more of things which has to be used, or no chemical is needed to to maintain this kind of thing, or for the cleaning and all. The same thing goes to versatility in design. So since we are equipped with all the ultra modern machineries like CNC cutters and the next what do you call the ultra modern machineries raw. So we are equipped enough to achieve whatever designs are there into your mind when it comes to natural stone. So we can easily design that kind of stone, and we can supply in a good time. So the same thing goes to sustainable and eco-friendly. So since it is a natural product, so it comes right from the earth. So that product itself showcase the same thing. And we have certainly these products have got enhanced property value and aesthetical appeal too. When it comes to other USPs of my organization, because we are the one who provides, and who provides the natural stone as per the architectural demands and all. When it comes to my my company's USP, so we are proudly saying that we have achieved over we have a capacity of producing over 30 lakh square meter of total calibration capacity in a year. So we have achieved over that. In fact, when it comes to sawing capacity, it's over 2.5 lakh square meter. When it comes to annual exports, we are exporting over 33 lakh square meter in a year. And we are procuring from 250 plus quarries, and we have a proud workforce of 600 plus people. And we have 7 factories as of now, which keeps on growing as per the architectural demands and as per the product demands basically. So we certainly meet high demand and the volume. 33 lakhs. So this is something about my company, and our what do you call the places from where we procure the stone, and we supply to the project basically. So keeping uh, an eye on a time, certainly because I was told that there is a very few minutes which will be taken by me, and it will be ordered to me. So certainly I think I should end my speech here.
Thank you, Mr. Pandey, for appraising our viewers with your inspiring submission on natural stones.